Hey guys, it's Kate. Of course, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I want to share with you a wig sent from Nadula hair. Just in case you are interested, be sure to check below in my description box. Me and this wig is locked in, okay? And I started to apply this wig and I was like, don't do it. And if I miss anything, all the details will be in my description box. But I do know that this is a YAKI texture, so the wig did come in here. And they also give you, I have false nails in here. It also comes with a wig cap and one of those melting bands. And then I have some extra. So let's get into it because I want to put this wig on so bad. Now right here it has a little bit of details about this wig. So it is a HD glueless wig. It's Brazilian hair and it's 20 inches. And like I said, it is a YAKI texture. Look at that. So this is what the hairline looks like. Look at that, y'all. Like what? And y'all about to see how quick it is for me to apply this wig. Now here is the construction. I don't see any combs up front, but they do give you this removable elastic band, and then in the back it comes with the comb, and it also comes with the adjustable straps and a little rubber piece so that you know, it can fit more secure on your head. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. And for all my small head people out here, like, it fits my head so good. So if you're looking for a glueless wig, oh, this one is definitely glueless. Look at that. Y'all cannot tell me that this wig does not look good. Y'all see that hairline? What? This is the texture and how it came. And like I said, I did curl this side, but it looks like I'm gonna have to kind of recurl it a little bit. But as far as the wig like laying flat, it did it. It looks so good, y'all. So I didn't mention this, but one thing I did do to this wig was kind of like cut layers in the front. Like, I don't know if y'all can see that. That's it. That's all I did, just because I wanted my curls to lay a certain way. And like, I didn't even straighten this. This is just what it is. The lace looks really good, but I do see it a little bit, so I'm going to add some finishing powder right there. I'm just going to add the bronzer that I used to blend it in. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and curl it, speed it up, and y'all gonna see how easy this wig was to apply. But